Hello everyone, my name is D. Welcome to my YouTube channels. Sorry I haven't been uploading new videos to this channels because I was traveling a little bit in Vietnam. If you guys want to see some of my travel videos, please check out my others YouTube channels. Over there I create some of the travel videos and show you guys some nice places in Vietnam that maybe one day when you're successful with your website, you can come to Vietnam and check out some of the most amazing places here. When I travel, I don't usually bring my laptop with me. I could, but I just want to take some time off from creating websites, videos, and creating a website itself. But it's something I dearly miss because creating a website is like one of my passions. It's something that helped me get here to this point of today. I just want to get back to creating websites and show you guys what you can do with WordPress. And yeah, it's it's in my blood. It's something that I like. It's something that generate revenue for me. So I just want to go back and start creating some new cool websites, some new business model that you can start making money online. So the plan is, some of you might see here my course where I show you guys how to create a web hosting business. Is something that I do, and that's how I make most of my money. Even until this day, I still make some money of it. So it's pretty stable. So in the next coming series, I want to show you guys how to create a course website so you can start generating extra money on top of the web hosting business. Please check out my channels. In my channels I already did the series of dropshipping business, but during this time of the pandemic, some of you might know that shipping is not good at all, so I would stay off from dropshipping because it will cost you a lot of trouble. Even though I do offer dropshipping websites on my main website, but I wouldn't recommend it. That's just my thoughts. I'm just being honest with you guys. But creating websites doesn't stop there. You can start creating an online store for your client, where your client can ship the product themselves, or you can create local businesses website. That way you can make very stable income as long as the business live. Also, yeah, I have some new cool things I want to show guys in the future, so stay tuned and check out my other channels where I show you some nice places in Vietnam that maybe one day you can visit here. Alright you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.